about ready to throw that whole eyelash away. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie for those who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Okay, now you got that out of the way. So let's go ahead and watch me install this wig, and then come back and we're going to talk about everything about this wig. Everything. Okay, go ahead. Watch me install a wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. This unit was sent over to me by the company Main Concept so I could review for you guys. Thank you, Main Concept, for interested in me in giving you my honest opinion and just to showcase this wig to my audience. Thank you. So this unit that they sent over is Mariam in the Main Concept Red Carpet Premiere. I have Mariam in the color Black Violet. Mariam comes with 3 combs, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Mariam has synthetic fiber. She is long. She has HD invisible lace, body and volume, 4-inch deep part, skin tone adapting lace, baby hairs within, they got baby hairs, but I ain't mess with them this time. 100% hand tied lace, flexible to style, secure combs and straps. Oh yeah, Mariam. Mariam, let's talk about Mariam. Let's talk about Mariam. Can y'all see this color? Y'all see this color? This black velvet on our TTT. Black velvet. Look at this. I'm probably tired of my goofy behind in these colors, but hey, I love them. They look good on me. What is going on with this eyelash? Anybody know? I fixed it like so many times, and I tell you, I don't know what's wrong with this eyelash. I'm about ready to throw that whole eyelash away. Hold on. Better. Can't be talking to my eyelash talking to me too. We can't have that. No. So what was I about to say about Mariam? Oh yeah, the color. Do y'all see Mariam? Black violet. I said black velvet. My bad. So I have a Mariam in the color Black Violet. Do you see this color? It's a gorgeous color. So what do I think about Mariam? Mariam is beginner friendly. So some more about Mariam. Mariam has future fiber, 4-inch deep lace part, HD invisible lace, body and volume, roller set curls, skin tone adapting lace, 100% hand tied lace, baby hair secure comb, And straps, Miriam does come in 18 inches. Can you see that? Can you guys see the two different color tones? It has like a 1B back here and the violet up front. I love that. Miriam looks like, I know it says future fiber, but it looks like yaki. I don't know if that's what yaki means, but she does have yaki. It's of a yaki texture. I'll say Miriam is beginner friendly, beginner friendly. Beginner friendly. It does shed. It hasn't tangled. I don't think it's gonna tangle because of the type of fiber, because it does remind me of, it does look a lot like yaki. So yeah, so it may not tangle. It hasn't tangled on me yet, but there are quite a bit of flyaways. I think that's because I cut off the lace. That's why. What would I rate Mariam? Mariam is a tad bit hot, but the color makes up for it, because yeah. So what would I rate Mariam? I would rate Mariam a 7.5. I mean, besides, between the flyaways, it being hot, and the flyaways, yeah, the flyaways are a lot, so they're annoying me. So I'm gonna give Mariam a 7.5 because of that. So again, thank you Main Concept for sending me over this unit to review for my audience, and entrusting me in giving my audience an honest opinion, my honest review on this unit. And guys, I will leave everything down in the description so you can purchase everything that I use to get my wig to look like this, and the link to purchase the unit as well as the colors if I do see it still available. And again, if you got to the end of the video, you're a real MVP. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. What are you waiting on? Leave me a comment down below of whether you like this color. Would you purchase this unit? Do you like these curls? I mean, I love the unit. It's just that the doggone flyaways, like not even my trusty Eben could help me. I was like, and I still got a whole lot of flyaways. But besides the flyaways and it being hot, I think this is a great unit if that's the style that works for you. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.